Hi guys, so today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I went from this to this. It's a brand new makeup tutorial with the brand new makeup tricks that I came up with. These are my eyes before, and this is how I transported my eyes into cat eye shape. This is how my lips before, and this is how my lips look now. This is how my nose looked before, and I found a trick how to get them upturned and cute. I don't even know how I did this, but I totally changed all of my features, like completely. This is a real DIY plastic surgery without the actual plastic, you know what I'm saying? Let's begin. Hi guys, so today So I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow as a base. Then I grab a darker shadow and apply it at the outer corner of my eyes. After that, I'm gonna be using a lighter shadow again, and as you can see, pat it on the top of my eyebrow bones that I have a super white line. Then I put it under my outer corner of my eyes, and as you can see how sharp my eyes look. They are long, but they are not round. And make sure your brows are straight as well. You don't want them to be round because a lot of these models have long, skinny brows.